Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So I've got a parcel and this one has only just been delivered to me, yay! So it's all exciting. I've had a quick look to see who it's from and it is from diychoose.com. The lovely people have sent me packages in the past and I've been showing you them and they've been absolutely fantastic. They asked me would I like some more things to show. Yes, of course, I absolutely love them. So I've got a couple of new items to show you. One of them you're just gonna really fall in love with. Well, I hope you will anyway. So yay, let's see what we got this time. So we have a package, okay, and we have a painting, yay! So I'm going to keep you guessing what's in the box and we'll have a look at this one. And this is just something that caught my eye and I thought that is really pretty. So it's a full drill. I think it's a round, I'm sure it's a round. It is only a smaller painting, if I can just waffle while I find the opening for the package. Okay, so look at this. Right, oh lovely, it's all backed up as well. So pen, boat and wax, your standard little toolkit there, enough to do your project. And this one you don't even need a pair of scissors because it's all bagged up ready for you, so it's a quick one you could take away with you to do on holiday, or to do while you're sat waiting for appointments and things, you know, if you think you're going to be a long time. So yeah, anyway, so we have 18 different colours. We have got DMC codes as well, and as I say, it is all nicely bagged up, so we'll have a look at those in a second. But yeah, if you look closely at this, I don't know if you can see the thumbnail, maybe show it a little bit better. It's a teacup and it actually has all diamonds around it. So it's got gems that look in diamond shapes all the way around the base of the actual picture. Let me see if I can show you that look. That might be a little bit better. Yeah, you can see it better on there. So yeah, and I just thought, oh, that'd look really good in my craft room for while I'm doing my filming, because I am a big tea drinker. I'm not a coffee drinker, I am a tea drinker. So it combines me with tea and diamonds, which I love real diamonds as well, but I do quite like diamond painting diamonds. Oh dear. If you could see the amount of diamond paintings that I own, completed and uncompleted, you would realise how much I like diamond painting diamonds as well. Okay, but I just thought it was so pretty. So we've got like the darker background and then we're going to got all this pop of colour at the front, and it looks like we have got light sources on it as well, so it's going to have like light glistening onto it. I may even add a couple of ABs into this, onto the gems, just to make it sparkle a little bit more, because we have got the DMC codes. So yeah, let's get these out and we'll just double check. It is always better to check when you get your diamond painting. Just have a quick flick through your gems and make sure that you have got one of every number. Looks like this is more or less in order apart from number 4, which is the fattest bag. So let's just go through these and we'll have a look at these colours and I'll try and keep them in order. They're alive, they're trying to escape. Right, so I think, yeah, that's 154, look, which is the sort of, it's a very standard colour that seems to be on a lot of pictures. It's certainly on a lot of pictures that I do, and it's where you get, say, a darker colour, and rather than using a black or a grey or a dark blue, we just put this like it's a maroony, very deep purpley colour, and it just adds a highlight without it being too dark. You know, it just makes it a little bit different. So that's number 1. We've then got a rose pink and a pink, and then a 310 black is this huge bag. So there is a lot of black in this one, so we do need the other colours to go in between it to make that stand out a little bit more. If you do like your multi-placing, there is quite a few of the black, which is number 4 all down here. So you could use a multi-placer down here. That's where you get, rather than just having your single placer on your pen, you get a placer at the end. This one's a 4 placer, so you can, if you can, pick up 4 gems at once and put 4 gems down on your canvas at once. So yeah, it's not something that I particularly do. It's still something that I never say never, and I've had a play about, but I do prefer just single placing. I find I'm a lot quicker just single placing. Then we've got the lovely red there, sort of cherry red, and a little bit of a peach, and a burgundy colour, and a very, very deep purple. That's lovely, royal purple, and that's our 666 red, and a lovely bright blue there, and a yellow, sunny yellow, and a little bit paler blue, and a bit of a pale denimy blue there, and another burgundy colour. So these will all be the background. And then we've got 939, which is, again, is another one, which is the very dark blue colour that tends to go in between black colours, just to make it stand out a bit more rather than it just being one complete flat colour. Another little bit of pale peach, and a little bit of purple, not quite as dark as the other one. And then like, well, it's like a deep peach, more of a mustardy colour, that one. Okay, so that is our 18 colours. So the gems are going to be very, very pretty. We've got the pinks and the reds, and all those blues to highlight it. So, yay. Okay, we'll give it a quick measure. I think we'll find it is, she says, if I can find my tape measure. This little dog tends to go walking off. I put it down and it just disappears. And I've only just been using it as well. Right, so it's 25 centimetres, 9 3/4 inches. So a nice square shape. It is a full coverage, so it is a full round diamond painting. And it's got a very, very clear drill field. If you can see, yeah, just get rid of the glare. You can really see that white colour on the black there, and the darker colours on the lighter colour there, even right up to the top there. So yeah, we're not going to have any problem seeing those symbols. We've got 1 to 8 and then A down to L, so I don't think we're going to have any trouble with those. Looks like we've got a good mixture there. So yeah, looking forward to doing this one. So a little bit different for me. Nothing cute and cuddly there, but I just thought, yeah, that's just me. Diamonds or diamond painting and a lovely cup of tea. It hasn't got milk in this tea. I must admit, when it's very hot outside, I do like a nice warm cup of tea or a hot cup of tea, and I don't always put milk in. Most of the time I do, but it is quite refreshing to have a nice cup of tea, a good tasting tea, without any milk in, which is what this one is. It's just a nice clear cup, and I do like the cup as well, all faceted with diamonds as well. Very, very pretty. So that is the first one, and the price of that one, as I say, was about £3.60ish, so really, really good price. It's certainly a good hobby, is diamond painting. It's going to take probably a couple of evenings to do that one, I would think. Probably 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe about between 6 and 8 hours to do that one, depending on how fast you diamond paint and how long you sit down for, because a piece about that big sort of takes about 2 hours-ish, so there's roughly sort of 4 pieces that size. It depends whether you section it off or how you want to do it, but that is just really, really different. And if you're looking for sort of a painting for a diamond painting friend, and you think, oh, that would be quite appropriate for them, it's quite a nice one to get. Okay, so that's that one. But let's have a look what's in the box. Oh, this was so cute when I saw it on the website, so I'm hoping it's as cute in real life. Let me have a look. Oh, it's another one of my little special drill ornaments. I am absolutely loving all the ornaments that's coming out at the moment. And look, they've corrected the boxes now as well. We do have diamond painting on the boxes now as well. Okay, so it's all packed nicely in a little bag inside the box. We have a pen, boat and wax, your standard little toolkit. And oh, we've got some different gems in there. And then look at this. Oh, we'll have a look at the gems in a second. Oh, and it's got a round base as well. But look. Oh, now I've actually seen this on a canvas. and I did love it on a canvas, and then I saw that actually a lot of the canvases now, where they're like little cute things, they are turning them into the ornaments as well, the acrylic sort of ornaments onto a stand. And I just thought, I've just got to have that bunny. I think for Easter the house is just going to be absolutely covered in bunnies. So it's just in like either a little burrow or a little nest maybe. I think it's aimed sort of at Easter, because Eastery flowers, you've got your little crocuses down here and everything, and little spring flowers. So it's very pretty, but it's not got any Easter eggs or anything on it. So you could keep it out all year round if you wanted to. But look at that little nose. It's practically all of it is diamond painted. There's only really the sort of the little V shape, that is the little Y shape on the bunny's nose and mouth, and the bunny's eye that doesn't have any gems on it. But oh, couldn't you just pick that up and give it a big bunny cuddle? Oh, absolutely gorgeous. Really, really loving all the new stuff that is coming out. And it's just so difficult when you're looking through, you just think, I want that one, I want that one, I want that one. My wish list is like mega, it's huge. Okay, so the size of this one is 20 centimetres, which is roughly 8-ish inches. And what is it, that one? And it's about 7.5 inches, 19 centimetres. Oh no, because we're up to the ear there, aren't we? So yeah, we'll roughly say it's about a 20 centimetre, 8-inch square, more or less, with cutouts. So this one, rather than having an oval base, has got a little round base. It does have actually a clear cover, it does have a cover on both sides. So if you take your cover off, it will be completely clear all the way through. So that's really good. Just makes it look a bit more invisible when it's stood on. I won't take the other side off. And then your actual little bunny as well has got this cover on the back. It's like to stop any dust or scratches or anything getting onto the back, or fingerprints. Until you've got your project done. And then once it's all done, your cover sheet will come off the front, which is holding on your sticky, keeping your sticky from getting spoiled. And then you can take the cover off the back, and it's all nice and clear. So all these like flowers and things around the edges will all be like floating round. Very, very pretty. Oh, the shading on this is lovely. We've got darker colours going to lighter colours. And then it's a little lot like orangey peachy face there. Oh, really, really sweet. It could even be sat in a chocolate Easter egg there, you know. Look, that's quite a nice browny colour. I'm hungry, I'm thinking of chocolate. So yeah, once he's done, he will just go into his little stand and stand up. So yay. I mean, you don't have to put him in the stand if you don't want to, because this will be completely clear on the bottom. If you wanted to put it into, say, a plate stand, or if you wanted to put him on the wall, then yeah, he'd still look quite cute as well. Let me just grab my little plate stand. So yeah, it will be, as I say, clear on the bottom. Yeah, it would just stand. Oops. It'll just stand on a plate stand. My desk, for whatever reason, seems to be sloping backwards at the minute. I don't know what I've done. I must have moved it. So everything sort of like seems to want to tip that way at the moment. But yeah, I mean, he is sort of just about stood up. He's wanting to run away. Oh, look at that little nose. Oh, it's so cute. Little fluffy bunny. Oh, gorgeous. Right, so we've done really well. So both kits are all completely bagged up and ready to go themselves. Oh, look at those colours. Right, let's have a look and see how many we've got in here. Lots was the cry, lots. There are 22 different gems and colours on this little bunny rabbit. That is amazing. Wow. So what I say, you can see looking at it how many different gems there are for the shading. It's something that's really come into its own, certainly over the last year, whereas, you know, the companies were just putting maybe 1 or 2 colours on something for the shading. Now they really are changing out the colours, so you get a lot more depth and 3D to the shapes and to the pictures, really making it stand out and look really, really super. Oh, loving it. It's a gorgeous bunny. Right, let's have a look at these colours. So we're starting off with a hot pink, yay! Try and keep them in order, Liz. And a lemony gold colour, and a grassy green, and a lime green, and a pale blue, that's pretty. And then a gold, a honey gold colour there. Very nice. There's a lot of that one. I'm thinking that must be a lot of the bunny. And then we've got a little bit darker gold there. Oh, and a lovely bright orange. And then another hot pink. Yay, I'm loving the pinks. And a deep purple. So they go from 1 to 9, and then they go A, B, C, D. So they're in a great order. And actually, we do have gem codes on the packets as well. So we are going to be able to kit these down and put them in my spares. Yay! So that's another green. And a very, very pale pink. I don't know whether you can actually pick that one up. There is only just a hint of pink on that one. And that one's a slightly darker hint of pink. And a very, very hot pink. Yes, it's so many pinks on this one. Who knew? It's a bunny just for Liz. And a purple colour. And a blue, like a petrol blue colour, that one. And an aqua blue. And that's a very, very pale sort of champagne gold. And then that's a bronzy colour. And now we're on to the specials. So we've got all these little purple flowers with an iridescent coating on. And I think you can see where all the gaps are on the bunny rabbit. Look, to put all the little flowers. So that'll look really pretty. Oh! And then we've got 2 roses. So let's have a look where the roses go. They're N. So we've got... oh, have we only got one? Have we only got 1 rose? Oh, okay. So we've got 1 rose just over there. Oh, got lots of little purple flowers and just the 1 rose peeking through in the corner. And then, oh, look at those. Sadly, we have only got 2, and we need 2 for the picture. But look at those. I've not had those before. So they're like a round that's like a flower shape all in the middle, all raised up. Very, very nice. And like a reddy orange colour with an iridescent coating on. Oh, what a shame we haven't got a spare one. But never mind, we've got enough to do the project, and that's all that counts. So we'll have 1 at that side and 1 at that side. Excellent. Oh, this is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that little bunny. Is that not just one of the cutest bunnies you've ever seen? Yay, we'll have to get him some friends. I'll have to have a look. I think there might have been more than just this one to choose from. If there is, I'll pop it on the screen and let you see it. Okay, well, there are lots of special offers still on at DIY Choose. If you do pop across there and go and have a look. If you spend over $49, which is about 39-ish pounds, then there is free shipping. If you spend over $59, which is around about 49-ish pounds, then you get 5% off as well, so you get free shipping and 5% off. And if you add 5 to your basket, you will get 1 free. So that means if you add 15 to your basket, you'll get 3 free. Yay, and we like free. So, and it's easy to do because all this new stuff that's coming out at the moment is absolutely wonderful. So do go and check out diychoose.com's website and see all that new stuff, and maybe you can get your own little bunny rabbit. Okay, huge thank you to DIY Choose for sending me these. I absolutely love them. Can't wait to get my little bunny done. And yeah, I think he will be staying in pride of place somewhere downstairs. And then say once I've got this one done, it will come into my craft room because it's me with a cup of tea and all my diamonds around me. Okay, well, if you've enjoyed looking at these with me, as always, a thumbs up is very much appreciated. Any comments or questions in the comments down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And if you want to join our little family and see what we get up to next, you can do that by subscribing. Just press that subscribe button down in this corner and an all notifications bell pops up. If you click on that, you'll be notified when any of my videos come up, so you're not going to miss anything. Yay! Okay, thanks ever so much for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.